If you're using Google Chrome and notice that certain websites are restricted, this is usually caused by network filters, browser restrictions, or location-based limits. This can happen on school networks, work Wi-Fi, or shared connections. While these blocks are meant to reduce distractions or improve security, they can sometimes block useful or legitimate websites as well. The good news is that there's a fast, safe, and legal way to unblock websites on Google Chrome as long as you follow local laws and network rules. One of the quickest and most effective tools for this is a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through another server. This hides your browsing activity from network filters and can allow blocked websites to load normally in Chrome. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using NordVPN, one of the fastest and most reliable VPNs available right now. You can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a discounted price. With NordVPN, you can either use their Chrome extension or run the full app in the background for complete protection. To use the Chrome extension, open Chrome and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Search for NordVPN and select the official extension. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once it's installed, you'll see the NordVPN icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click the icon, log in with your account, and select the country you want to connect to. Your Chrome traffic will now be routed through the VPN. If you want to protect all internet traffic on your device, not just Chrome, it's better to use the full NordVPN app. Download it from the official NordVPN website, log in, and connect to a server. Then open Chrome and browse as usual. Refresh the page or open the website that was previously blocked. In most cases, it should now load instantly. If it doesn't, try switching servers or reopening Chrome. Remember to use this responsibly. Don't access anything illegal or inappropriate, and always respect the rules of the network you're using. A VPN should be used for privacy, security, and legitimate access, not to cause issues. So that's how to unblock blocked websites on Google Chrome, fast and safely. With the right setup, you can browse freely while staying secure. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on a TV or another device, you can scan the QR code on screen to get started with NordVPN.